Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are starting our new playlist about logarithm. So first we know which purpose we need the logarithm. When we solve the 3 power 4, 3 power 4 is equal to 81. So it means the 3 4 time is equal to 81. So in short form we change in this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form and we convert into logarithmic form. So we use the a power x is equal to y formula. So this formula log a y is equal to x, both are same. Okay, first according to need we change it. So here logarithm 2 power minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 16. This is the exponential form. We change into logarithmic form. So we write here a power x is equal to y. So this is the term and log a y is equal to x. So which we this term which write into this term. So here a is equal to 2. So log 2 and x equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1 upon 16. So we write this here log 2 1 upon 16 is equal to minus 4, change into logarithmic form. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.